Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start exercise 5B, question number 3 of book D3 8th edition, and question number 3 is saying that if the gradient of the line joining the points is given 3 by 5, find the value of P. Remember that we have done question number 1 and 2 in the previous video, and I had made a playlist. You can go and you can search you can find out all the videos of 5B in that of 5 chapter in one single playlist. So moving towards our question, points are given, that is, let us suppose this is point A, that is -3 and -7, and point B is given, that is 4 and P, and its gradient is also given. Let us suppose this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. We have formula gradient is equal to so 3 by 5, this is equal to y2. Y2 is P, minus and minus will become plus, divided by 4, minus minus will become plus 4 by 3. First of all, simplify it. 3 by 5, this is equal to P plus 7. We cannot add them. 4 plus 3 is 7. Now you can do the cross multiplication. This 5 P plus 7, and this is equal to 3 into 7. 5P plus 35, this is equal to 21. 5P is equal to 21 minus 35. 5P is equal to uh, 5 minus 1 is 4, and 1 minus 3 minus 2 is 1, minus 14. So P is equal to minus 14 divided by 5. Moving toward next question, question number 4, and question number 4 is saying that the coordinates of A and B respectively, given that the gradient, again the gradient is given, coordinates I will write, that is 3k and 8, and the second point is k minus 3. Okay, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Okay, gradient is given, that is 3, so 3 is equal to minus 3 minus 8 divided by k minus 3k. So 3 is equal to minus 11 divided by minus 2k. This will shift over here. It will become minus 6k is equal to minus 11. This minus and minus will cancel. So k is equal to 11 divided by 6. Question number 5. The gradient of the line joining is 2 by a. Find the possible value of a. Okay, ji. Question number 5. Points I will write again, that are 9 and a. And the second point is 2a and 1. Okay. This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. And its answer is 2 by a. Gradient is given, that is 2 by a. Y2 is 1 minus a divided by x2 is 2a minus 9. 2a minus 9, yes. Okay, doing the cross multiplication, it will become 2a minus a, and from here a 1 minus a. अच्छा जी, ये बन जाएगा 4a minus, this is 9. मुझे अपना ही 9 8 लगा. ओके, दिस इज़ 18 एंड दिस इज़ a माइनस ए स्क्वेयर. अच्छा, ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बनेगी, वहाँ से हम लोग इसकी वैल्यूज निकालेंगे. अच्छा जी, अब आपके पास आ जाएगा मूविंग ऑल द वैल्यूज़ ऑन वन साइड, सो इट विल बिकम ए स्क्वेयर minus a plus 4a minus 18, this is equal to 0. So a square plus 3a minus 18, this is equal to 0. 6 3s are 18 होता है. सब्ट्रैक्शन करने के बाद आपके पास 3 बनता है. सो 6a minus 3a minus 18, this is equal to 0. a common, a plus 6 minus 3 common, a plus 6, this is equal to 0. So from here it is a plus 6 and a minus 3, this is equal to 0. Okay, either a plus 6 is equal to 0 or a minus 3 is equal to 0. So from here a is equal to minus 6, and from here it is a is equal to 3. So these are the possible values of a that we can find it out from here. Okay, question number 6, and question number 6 is saying that P, Q and R have the coordinates this and this. If the gradient of PQ is equal to the gradient of PR, find the value of. तो पहले आप PQ का gradient find out करेंगे. Gradient of PQ. p के वैल्यू है 6 एंड -11 एंड q की वैल्यू है आपके पास k एंड -9. Gradient of these two. Gradient will be equal to, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Y2, that is -9 plus 11 divided by x, this is k -6. So from here 11 minus 9 is 2 divided by k minus 6. This is your gradient 1, m1 कर लेते हैं. अच्छा जी, सेकंड आपने करना है पी आर का ग्रेडियंट. पी आर इज इक्वल टू, p is 6 minus 11 and r is 2k minus 3. Okay, again this will be equal to m2, minus 3 plus 11 divided by 2k minus 6. So 11 minus 3 is 8 divided by 2k minus 6. This is equation 2. दोनों को आप इक्वल कर लें. m1 is equal to m2 because वो कहा गया है क्वेश्चन में हमें. m1 is 2 divided by k minus 6 and m2 is 8 divided by 2k minus 6. Doing the cross multiplication एंड मैं इसको यहीं पे सॉल्व कर लेती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे फिर, अच्छा जी, ये हो जाएगा 2 इंटू 2k माइनस 6. दिस इज़ इक्वल टू 8 इंटू k माइनस 6. अच्छा, यहाँ से आ जाएगा 12k माइनस 6 2 ज़ा 12 इज़ इक्वल टू 8k माइनस इट्स 8 6 ज़ा 48. 12k माइनस 8k, दिस इज़ इक्वल टू माइनस 48 प्लस 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. K, this is equal to minus 36. So K will be equal to minus 9. Okay. This is the end of question number 6. See you in the next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz.